Hello friends, my name is Ravindra Singh. I am from Chhattisgarh, India. I just gonna caught this thing. Maybe you all are going to recognize that what is this? Actually, it's a review of this beautiful aluminum box of HID 85 watt powerful flashlight. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, packaging is very good. You can see here all the stuff. This one is a big one, really. Oh, here, just give me a break. Here, this one is a extra green color glass for head. Here, this one is same red. You got here. You got here. This is instruction manual. See, HID torch user manual. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is pretty much expensive for me because here in India there's no factory to build this kind of torch. You can saw the all product features are here. Okay, again, this is my second video of unboxing HID. One is of 3.6 flashlight 3 ultra fire. Now here, this one is a hanging belt. One thing I want you to tell that the whole package weight of this particular big guy is about 3 kg, 6 point something lb. So here we got this shoulder strips, nice looking thing. I'm really very I just surprised that, because I know in Chhattisgarh I am the only person who got this stuff because the custom is very strong. I have to pay some custom duty for this, approx $60. That's a pretty much more amount for me. Okay then, let's see the big guy. Okay, now you find lot of this one is charger, X charger. This one is a HID battery, then 0.1 volt. There's a car charger. Really interesting. So first of all, I'm going to check this battery and going to insert in the big one. Ready? Yeah. Here I go. Oh my god, it's really too big. You can see it's going to be 16 inch, I think so. Yeah, exactly. Fine. Here you can see where we have to place the battery. Okay, let me start. Okay, take a look at the battery. It's a brand new Samsung. You can see the light here, emergency light. On this side you found a digital thing. It shows the watt. Really nice piece. Real a nice and great thing here. Okay, right now you're watching this guy. You see you? What do you found? It's 53. My God. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Really man. I think that going to be great thing. Never try to see there. The whiteness, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm surprised, man. Okay, fine. Let's check it out outside. Okay, let's check it out. I'll check this. See here. Started 47, 40 watt. You can see the light here. See the light very clear. The top of the tower. You can see the tower from here only. Yep. It's a great light. Really. Oh, a brilliant thing. Thank you for watching all this thing. Fine. Wow.